Ayo Boss, and welcome back. Chef, I know, it's getting warm outside. You can't wait to get outside and play with your friends. But first, we gotta make some videos. So Chef has a question. Do you enjoy easy puzzles? How about easy homework? Well, if you said yes to both, stick around, because we're making some easy ass nachos. These things are so simple, even I can make them. Hey, who wrote the script? I can cook, you know, people. Maybe I'll start my own channel. Whatever. Anywho, sticking back to the script, we think you're going to really enjoy this, so let's get easy, baby, and get cooking. First thing you're going to do is start off with 1 pound of ground beef. Chef is going to use a 90-10, so it's going to be a little leaner. Put that in your pan and just start browning it up. Chef uses his classic mix and chop, which he loves so much. Once all the beef starts to get brown, just going to add a little bit of water, and he's going to add a taco seasoning kit, and that will give you a little bit of the directions on what to do as far as how much water. But all the ingredients will be down below, so go ahead and check that out. Stir this all together, cook it to the directions of the packet, and then place it aside. Next, you're going to go ahead and get a nice big cookie sheet. If you have a big one like Chef here, spray it with some non-stick cooking spray or put some tin foil down. And you're going to put some scoops down, because scoops do work the best, just because you can fill each one. So Chef's now going to show you, he's going to take a spoon, and he's just going to place a little bit of that ground beef in each pocket there of those tortillas, those little chips, scoops, whatever. And that's what it looks like, all ready to go. Of course we're not done. No way we're not done. We're going to add some salsa. Probably mild, because Chef can't do hot. Just teasing, Chef. Again, just use a spoon, put a little bit in each one. Don't dump it all out there, it'll be a mess. Do it the right way. Next, go ahead and add some sharp cheddar cheese, shredded of course, and just sprinkle this around. Now, you don't gotta obviously do each one individually, just spread it all around. And if you want to do other things like olives or jalapenos or whatever other ingredients you'd like, go ahead, feel free, put those on as well. Okay, next up, Chef's going to get his oven preheated to about 375 degrees. He's going to place this in and watch it. It's going to take only maybe about 5-10 minutes to just melt that cheese, so keep an eye on this. He's going to take it out. Oh, look at that. Nice melted cheese. Oh, baby. And go ahead and plate this up into some bunches, or just have everyone put these on their plate. Have some sour cream on hand, obviously. And you can do like cut green onions or something else to top it with. It's up to you. But that's pretty much it. Easy ass nachos. I mean, come on. Even I can't mess this up. And that wasn't in the script. We do hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you check it out. We got a lot more videos to come. It's going to be a fun summer. So go ahead, put a movie in, make some easy ass nachos with your easy ass spouse, and have some fun with it. Thanks again, everyone. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it. Am I getting in trouble for telling people they were easy? Oh boy, I'm in trouble.